Bruce here, out at the range with my Riley Defense RAK 308C. The first day I'm shooting it. I'm excited. Robski, the AK Operator channel. Oh, got this from his store. I like this shirt. I don't wear it much in public. Check him out. Check his channel, AK Operators Union. You'll love him. Check his store. Buy something. That's the only commercial you'll hear out of me. I'm not sponsored. 70 years old, no teeth. Nobody's going to hire me for commercials. But let's get to it. First day shooting this AK in 308. I'm psyched. Now, just gonna... Oh, it's over there in the stand. You'll see it in action in a minute. Now, I'm out at the pistol range. And I'm just doing a quick 35 yard. Because the question was, Bruce, how's the accuracy? Oh, we'll see. Oh yeah, you get in Murphy, North Carolina, check out Cherokee Guns. Anyway, that's a target, 35 yards. We're just here to do some fast groups. Handheld. So whatever my results, probably -1 MOA. Just because of my old man shake and all that happy horse crap. But let's fire some rounds. I'll try and make this quick. I know, everybody's in a hurry. After I'm done shooting this and we check out the pattern, I'll take my time for those who have time to stick around. Let's get shooting. Oh yeah. Range hot? Oh, I'm the only one here. Load them up. Today we're shooting Nosler 168 grain competition, BLC 2 powder. And then we'll probably follow up with some Winchester white box. Just as a comparison, let's get shooting. You're tired of hearing me yap. Let's get comfy. Where are you? There you are. Breathe. Settle down. Get to that natural pause. Remember trigger reset. Easy. Pull the trigger, don't jerk. Alright, settle down, Bruce. There we go. Is that 5? Yeah, that was 5. Clear. Alright, let's see what we got. Oh, ow. Remember, this is quick and easy. So when Robski sees he can get back, he's a busy man. Don't want to hold up his show. Do. Another reason. Alright. That's about an inch. Yeah, about an inch. So, about double that. That's 2 MOA. But once again, my shaky old butt, I'd say that's more of a 1 MOA. I'm going to give that a yes. It's fairly accurate. Once again, much more accurate than I am. Okay, for all you guys in a hurry, that's it. Now I'm just going to blab. Well, actually, I am going to show you a little bit tuning up these Milsurp mags. Now, these were built on the Zastava M77. Okay, M77, Milsurp mags, banged up. Parts kit, everything's banged up. But Riley Defense did a very, very good job with these things. But when I got this mag, the feed lips were bent and it was widened. It had spread apart. Well, quick easy fix. Quick easy fix. Pair of pliers. Open up those mag wells. There you go. Just a little twist. You can see when the cartridge gets in there. If it's too bent over, it doesn't fit well. So pliers, open up a little bit just until the projectile raises up a little bit. Otherwise, if it's bent down, it hits at the bottom of the chamber. Not in the chamber, at the bottom of the chamber. So you need that slight rise. Other problem, like I said, I had, it was too wide. Well, you could just go bang, 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 but you got this follower in the way. So I just grabbed a wooden wedge, put it down, got it, and now I could put it on the table and bang, bang, bang a little bit. Quick and easy. A lot of these things you can tune up cheap. You'll figure it out. Alright. That's about it, folks. It's been fun. Now, like and subscribe. Get to my... Oh, yeah. Don't forget to get one of these shirts at AK Operators. His store, AKOU Store. Check him out on YouTube. I love this shirt. It's probably the only time I wear it out in public. Well, we're not in public. We're on YouTube. And your family. And you'll like it. But anyway, come to my channel. Like, subscribe. I'm going to be doing many more with this RAK. But my main forte, Mosin Nagant rifles. I'm a sucker for a Mosin. I love Mosins! And if you like this shirt, you're pretty twisted, so you really should subscribe. You're my kind of people. Anyway, that's it from here, Murphy, North Carolina. And as always, be awesome. Till the next video. See ya.